If you are considering going solar and would like to know how much you can save by installing solar panels on your home today, we're going to explain this, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us on social media with @GoCleverEnergy or visit our website www.gocleverenergy.com. Okay, great, here we go. Before we start, I have to say that every single home is completely different, just like every single family is. And with this, what I want to say is that something that may work for you or your neighbor may not work for him or for you, and vice versa. Sometimes what I may work for your sister may work for you. Why? Simple. There's so many variables to consider to really determine whether solar is going or is not going to bring you savings. Some of these variables include home latitude and longitude, or your location, the orientation of the house, the roof shape, the roof radiation, the shade in your location, the utility rates on your area, home living behavior, the temperature you keep your home, how efficient is your home, including the doors and windows and insulation, the AC performance, and many other factors, including, for example, the credit score, to accessing special solar loan products that can easily make viable a project of this magnitude. With that being said, we can say that in general, about 20% of the homes and families we visit actually can save that much, either because the electric consumption is very low, or the roof orientation is facing north, or because the financial situation of the applicant is not sufficient to get approved. The other 80% regularly will see monthly savings compared to same with the electric bill. On average, homeowners can expect between 10 to 25% lower monthly payment on their solar payment compared to the current average monthly bill, even though they believe in the future of saving of solar, including the freezing of the utility electric increase, which ranges between 2.5 to 5% depending on the state and the utility company serving your home. The tax credits that are 26% for the residential energy credit when you invest in renewable energy and solar panels, and the payoff hope, which ranges between 10 to 25 years depending the term you finance your solar system. There is also an increase in your property value of 2 to 4% of your current home value. So if you add all your savings together, it is by far better than doing nothing and staying with your utility company. Immediate monthly savings on the electric bill is one of the most viable ways of seeing savings, but there is way more to be added to the equation if you go solar today. We hope this information was helpful, and until our next opportunity, see you guys then.
Want to learn more? Visit GoCleverEnergy.com today and see how the sun can provide you savings.